I speak to you today in these terrible, rough times, hoping that you can understand the weight of my rhymes. The people in the White House now, what a sad tragedy, not concerned with the health of every single family. But I can assure you, I can bring change. The whole political system's gonna get rearranged. A new and fresh start, why not call it the New Deal? Believe me when I say you ain't skipping another meal. You feel, gonna put this depression to bed. All of your problems are about to be dead. You just gotta trust me, follow my lead. I know that this great country can again succeed. I know that there are problems. I can solve these issues. Just vote for me tonight. The best times, they're around the corner. I know that there are problems. I can solve these issues. Just vote for me tonight. The best times, they're around the corner.
Do you really want to vote for this guy, 33? I know that you don't. Sit down, listen to me. There's no need to panic about this tiny little recession. All you all acting like we're some Great Depression, the man over there thinks we all about to drown. You need to trust my policy called Trickle Down. And not to mention all the other good things I did, we can Japan's power. I sealed the lid. And to prove this nation's most prosperous economy, passed the Hawley Smooth tariff back in 1930. That's the highest level the tariff has been before. With those high level, economy's gonna soar. One more thing, the Reconstruction Finance Corporation. Now that's a law that ought to improve this struggling nation. It's really very simple. You should vote for me. Put him in office. Tragedy of 33. I know that there are problems. I can solve the issues. Just vote for me tonight. Best times, they're around the corner. I know that there are problems. I can solve the issues. Just vote for me tonight. Best times, they're around the corner.
I can't believe what this guy is pushing over you. Vote for me, I'm the true red, white, and blue. Remember the Black Tuesday, the whole market crashed. Hoover didn't stop our system from getting bashed. And you think this guy Hoover is so patriotic? Remember Coxey's Army? That was straight idiotic. And what did he do to us after the economy shut down? He gave us Hoovervilles, just a big trash town. And all this talk about Hawley Smooth, big disgrace, that is just a shot to every citizen's face. Oh wait, here's the results, they just got in. You picked the right guy, a dominating win.
I don't believe it. You don't know what he'll do? I thought we could help each other, me and you.
Shut up, man, this is no longer your song. America has cast its vote. Clearly you are wrong. Time to go to work. 100 Days Congress, fixing the economy, NRA and Works Progress, gonna revolutionize what they got in the bank. At the end of the day, it's me you will thank. I know that there are problems. I can solve the issues. Just vote for me tonight. The best times, they're around the corner. I know that there are problems. I can solve the issues. Just vote for me tonight. The best times, they're around the corner.
Look, man, you all just made the wrong decision. I fear that FDR is in the wrong position. I'm afraid of all this new government intervention. The New Deal sounds like a communist invention. Whatever, America, I guess you just made the choice. No one has to listen to the sound of my voice, so I say to you this, just one last thing. Please remember all of the things that did indeed bring a damn and help in the First World War. I guess that's it, but there could have been more, but no. Country shifted into disorder. With me, the best times were around the corner.